Good morning, everybody. So day 2 of practice. Now I'm excited about this day because we kind of found something yesterday in day 1 late, and I'm sure that y'all have all seen that video. If not, make sure you click on day 1 video link. But I'm gonna get y'all plugged in. We are going to expand on the areas that we fished yesterday. We're on the south end of the lake. Now that's something that a lot of people, you don't hear about on this thing. Most everybody goes north and fishes those 2 big creek arms up north. They go up into the river. They fish main lake points, but I'm on the south end. I mean, right now, if you look just beyond that mountain right there, we're at the dam. So this is where we found fish. Hopefully they're still here. So y'all follow along today. We're gonna have some fun. Gosh, dog. Wow. Woo! Wow. And that little bitty guy right there just did that. I mean, seriously. Hey, it's a smallmouth though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me find the smallmouth bite. Yeah, my blow up on that point. I figured this interior bank right here had fish on it, but I ain't caught nothing. Oh, there he is. Now. Largemouth. Not 15 inches. I wasn't paying attention. Lord, thank you so much for this day and all that you've given me. Lord, I just pray today that you be with not only me but my family, Lord. I know that I'm not there. I'm not present in the household, Lord, and I just pray that you keep your strong hand on top of my kids and my wife, Lord. But more than anything, at this point, I just pray that you give me a good day on the water, Lord. Let me learn, let me progress as an angler, and let me just do everything in your likeness and and the plan that you would have me do, Lord. I just thank you again for this day and thank you for this opportunity. In your name I pray. There's a bunch of little brams in here. I can see seals everywhere. A little green sunfish. Yesterday. I mean, I said 1 bite, but I really need a keeper. Definitely not a keeper. But he's a bass. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, I said it was. He had the same sound out. Bloop. It's just a little old black, man. Where are the big ones at? Ah, can I catch a keeper before like 9 o'clock? I mean, the way that one sounded, I thought that was like a 3-pounder. We'll fish up to that bowl, Johnny. Ain't gonna be out here. Well, I'm probably coming to this area. That may be a little bit better fish. That feels heavier. Nope. Another 12-incher. Well, he's 13. We're getting bigger. Okay, there's a good one. All right, there's a good one. All right, we're out. We out. Wow, what a strike. That's a donkey right there. Well, he ain't a donkey, but he's a keeper. There we go. That was a strike we've been waiting on. We're out of here. Two yonder. Golly, dude. I want that strike to be on camera. I mean, that was an aggressive strike for a sunfish, man. I mean, seriously. A donkey sunfish. We're going to look at that strike over again. I'm in front of the camera, so I make sure that whenever I'm breezing through these things, I show y'all. That dude struck the nuggets off of that thing. Ugh, he just hurt it everywhere. Smell it. There we go. Finally caught up with him. Good Lord, man. Couldn't catch up with him. He got weird eyes. Got a red eye, kind of like a Kentucky. A lot of variability. Finally got it. We can stick this like that. I take their shoes and say, do you want these? No, I beat them with them, and they know you do. If you tell your boss lady that you had a meltdown because your girl couldn't pick up shoes this morning? Not nice to do that, but that dude was slow poking. I didn't want him to see that I had a fish at that point. That sucker's long, long, long. Quick. Quick. You're getting doo-doo everywhere, man. That's a keeper there. I can already tell you right now, 102% that's what I threw back this corner on the keeper. Okay. I see you. Go on with your 15-inch fill. Fish too. He ain't 15 though. He's probably right at 14. Quit. Yeah, he's right at 14. Oh. Little guy, so he's bigger than that. Dang, another 13-incher. Hey, I mean seriously, I've caught, I don't know how many 13-inch bass I caught.